the top of the tower. The temperature at the top of the tower should be at or slightly above the boiling temperature of the desired overhead product at the operating pressure of the tower. If the temperature at the top of the tower is higher than it should be, more of the heavier components will vaporize and become part of the overhead product, instead of flowing down the tower as a liquid. On the other hand, if the temperature at the top of the tower is lower than it should be, less of the lighter components will vaporize. Some of the lighter components will remain as a liquid and flow down the tower. The temperature at the bottom of the tower is also important. The temperature at the bottom of the tower is usually slightly below the boiling point of the heavier component. If the temperature at the bottom of the tower is too high, more of the heavier components will vaporize and move up the tower instead of remaining as a liquid. If the temperature at the bottom of the tower is too low, less of the lighter components will vaporize and move up the tower. Another place where temperature control is important is at the feed point. The temperature at the feed point should be within the boiling range of the mixture. The temperature at the feed point should be close to the temperature of the feed tray. The temperature of the feed tray depends on its physical location in the tower. For example, the lower the feed tray is in the tower, the higher its temperature will be. If the temperature at the feed point is higher than it should be, more of the heavier components will vaporize and move up the tower instead of moving down the tower as a liquid. On the other hand, if the feed point temperature is too low, less of the lighter components will vaporize.